Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for the holiday seasons. Today we're gonna create this beautiful Paracord Wreath. We're gonna use the two separate pieces of a red Paracord 550, one strand of a green Paracord also 550, and white and gold Microcord. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make these beautiful Paracord pendants I have here, the full tutorial you'll have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description of this video, where you can find many useful tutorials, including one how to make this beautiful bracelet I am wearing today with the Runic beads. So that being said, let's start. First we're gonna take the green Paracord by the ends, and we're gonna find the center of it, like so. So this is the center, and now we're gonna take the measuring tool to measure around 27 or 28 centimeters, and here we're gonna start with the knots. So I'm gonna zoom a bit, you can clearly see, and from here we're gonna take our right side paracord and place it on top of these two core strands, and then with the left one on top of the right one, around, and from the back we're gonna pull it through. So basically here we created the Salomon knot or a cobra knot, as you wish. So now from here we're gonna take our red paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the loop on the right side, then around and from the back into the loop on the left side, and once more from the top into the loop on the right side. And here we're gonna cinch it, just to rearrange this a bit, and that's okay. Now from here we're gonna continue with the Salomon weave or cobra knot, so left side on top of the core strands, right side on top of the left, around and from the back through the loop. Now we're gonna take the red paracord, and we're gonna insert it into the loop on the right side and through. And in the same time we're gonna pass it from the back into the loop on the left side and through. And now we're gonna return it, and we're gonna pass our red cord from the top through the middle between these two core strands. And proceed. So we're gonna take the right strand on top of the core strands, left strand around and around the right strand, and from the back through the loop on the right. Now we're gonna pass our red from the back through the loop, and then we're gonna return it and pass it from the top into the middle between two core strands and to the side. So here we are almost on the end of the first part. Now I'm gonna take the fits. And now we're gonna start the second part of our project, the stitching.